Hey everyone, Ish Gaming here. Ever looked at your potato office PC and thought, this thing could be so much cooler? You're right. Turning your office PC into a gaming PC is like discovering a secret level same machine, whole new game. It's surprisingly easy and budget friendly. Let's break it down. This isn't about building a top-tier system from scratch, it's about smart upgrades. We're talking big performance gains without emptying your wallet. So fire up that spreadsheet because we're about to dominate some games. First things first, not all Office PCs are created equal. We want something with a decent processor and upgradability. Look for models like Dell Optiplex, HP ProDesk, or Lenovo ThinkCentre. These PCs are often overlooked, but they have hidden potential. They usually come with an Intel Core i5 or even an i7 processor, which is plenty for most games. Plus, they're built to last and readily available. Now for the game changer, the graphics card or GPU. This is what breathes life into your games. Don't worry, installing one is easier than you think. Open your PC case, make sure it's unplugged. Locate the PCIe slot and gently push the graphics card in. Secure it with a screw, plug in the power cables from your power supply and boom, you're good to go. Section 4. Unleashing full power, RAM, storage, and more. Next up, RAM. 8 GB is the bare minimum for gaming these days. Luckily, upgrading RAM is a piece of cake. Just open the clips on your motherboard, align the notch on the RAM stick, and push it in until it clicks. Storage is another factor. Games are huge. Consider adding a speedy SSD for your games, and keep your trusty HDD for other files. Section 5. Looking the part case swap, optional. Okay, this one's optional, but oh so satisfying. Swapping your boring office case for a sleek gaming one is like giving your PC a whole new identity. Plus, a good gaming case often comes with better airflow, keeping your components cool and happy. It's not strictly necessary, but hey, who doesn't love a good makeover? Section 6. Game on, reap the rewards. And there you have it. You've transformed your office PC into a lean, mean, gaming machine. You've saved money, learned some new skills, and most importantly, you're ready to game. Remember, this is just the beginning. As you become a more seasoned gamer, you can always upgrade further. But for now, fire up that game you've been eyeing, and get ready to destroy some noobs.